Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set the Go as Google Chrome homepage. This is very useful. So let's start. First open Google Chrome on your device. Then tap on three dot menu, that is top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on homepage. See here, there are two options. One is Chrome's homepage and another is for entering custom web address. Now select this and enter here DuckDuckGo.com. Type it. That's it. Now see how it works. Restart this Chrome and open it again. See, here is this. Now DuckDuckGo is my Google Chrome homepage. It is very simple and useful. If you think this is useful for you, please like this and also follow subscribe our channel. Thank you.